Hello friends, welcome to Rishkeshwar channel. Today I am going to explain you math subject. Actually in last video we have continued the biology, but due to some network issues we have stopped that biology class. So let's start now maths. So I am going to skip the maths first two chapters. So don't feel he is not telling I am not telling the first two chapters because first chapter is knowing our numbers. So it's so easy. There are ascending order, descending orders. So it's very easy. And second chapter is whole numbers. So it is also easy for us. So no need to explain this also. So I am going to explain the third chapter, that is playing with numbers. Okay. So let's start our playing with numbers. What is playing with numbers? We usually play cricket, means we'll usually play the sports, but now we are going to play with numbers. Now we are going to play with numbers. So let us play this chapter. So let's start our exercise 3.1. Okay. So now, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 3 and by 6? Okay. So here they have given some numbers, right? Look here. Here they have given some numbers. We should see that these numbers are divisible by 2, 3 or 6. Okay. Let's go. Before going to that, first we'll know about the divisibility rules. Okay. So what are 2, 3 and 6 divisibility rules? So second, divisible by 2. So the divisibility rule 2 is the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 should be in one space. So what is that? The numbers which are in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 should be in one place. So then only the number will be divisible by 2. Okay. So this is the 2 divisibility rule. So I am going to write now 3 divisibility rule. So what is divisibility rule of 3? Let's see. So the divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the given digits. If they'll give a particular number, so that number we should divide 1, 1, 1. So let us think that they have gave 9,999. So they have gave so I'm going to write an example. Okay. So divisible what is divisibility rule 3? Okay, first example. Okay, 9,999. Okay, now sum of all digits. Okay, so 9,999 we are going to write 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Okay, so we are writing in this way. So let us add this. 9 plus 9. Okay, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9. So 18 plus 9 is 27. So 27 plus 9. So 36. So 36 is divisible by 3, right? So I'm going to, for your verification, I'm going to divide with this. Okay. So 3, 36. Okay. 3 ones 3. So here 0. Carry down the 6. Now 3 2 6. Okay. 12. So 3 12s are 36. Okay. So this is the divisibility rule 3. So if the given number sum of the all digits is divisible by 3, then the number also will divisible by 3. If or not the given number is not divisible by 3, the number will not divisible by 3. Okay. Okay, I think you have understood. Now I am going to erase this one. So now the divisibility rule of 6. Okay. Okay. So, what is divisibility rule of 6? If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, the number is also divisible by 6. If the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, okay, the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is automatically divisible by 6. Okay, so I think you have understood this divisibility rules. Now I am going to explain the bit. Okay. Okay friends, now exercise 3.1. Okay, now exercise 3.1 first bit. So what is our first bit? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3 and by 6? So which of the numbers are divisible by 2, 3 and 6? So let's see the numbers. First number is 3,21,729. Lakhs 21,729. So this is the first number. Okay. So this is the first number. So the given number is 3,21,729. So the given number is 3,21,729. So this number we should write. So with this number we should check that it is whether divisible by 2, 3 and 6. So let's see. I think you understood the divisibility rules, or you can do your own too. Okay? Now let's do the problem. So first divisible by 2. So the number is 3,21,729. So let us solve this problem. So let us see divisible by 2. So what is the divisibility rule of 2? The number should be divisible by, the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 should be in ones place. But here in ones place there is 9. So this number is not divisible by 2. So shall we write the step? 3,21,729 is not divisible by 2. Okay? Now divisible by 3. So with this checking is over. Now divisible by 3. So divisible by 3. So I told you what is divisible by 3? Sum of the all digits. So let's do the sum of the all digits. So here we are going to write 3,21,729. Now 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9. Okay, so this goes to 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. Okay, 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 9 24. Okay, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. Okay, so this 3,24,000 is divisible by 3. Then the number 3,21,729 is divisible by 3. So here, look here. So here next divisible by 6. What is divisible by 6? If the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is automatically divisible by 6. But here the number is not divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So here the number is not divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Then the number is not divisible by 6. Okay, because the number is not divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, so now I am going to write 3,21,729 is not divisible by 6. Okay, the problem is solved. Very easy. Okay, so based on this problem you can do the remaining problems in first bit. So now I am going to erase, or else you can take the screenshot too. Okay, I am going to erase. Now second way. So here they have gave second way. Determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 5 and by 10. Check whether the numbers that are also divisible by 10, 2 and 5. So I told already what is divisible rule of 2. Now I should tell divisibility rule of 10 and by 5. So first I'll explain divisibility rule of 5. So what is divisibility rule of 5? If the given for the given number in one's place it should be 5 or 0. Then only the number is divisible by 5, or else the number will be not divisible by 5. Now let's see the divisibility rule of 10. So divisible by 10. So what is divisibility rule of 10? So in one's place 0 should be there. So in the given number the one's place should be 0, or else the number will be not divisible by 10. Okay. So now go to the problem. So here they have gave some numbers. So now I am going to convert them into they are divisible by 10, 2 and 5. Okay. Now I will take 250. Okay. So 250 is the number. Look here, first we will go to the divisibility rule of 2. So look here, the number in one's place 0 is there. So what is the divisibility rule of 2? In one's place it must be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. In these 5 numbers any one number should be there in one's place. So here in one's place 0 is there. So the 0 is there means the number is divisible by 2. So let's write the conclusion. So now next 5. So what I told, in one's place 0 or 5 should be there in the given number, or else the number is not divisible by 5. But here in 0 or 5 0 is there. So 250 is divisible by 5. Okay. What is divisibility rule of 10? The number must be in the ones place. In the given number, the ones place should be 0. Then only the number is divisible by 10. So here the ones place is 0. So 250 is divisible by 10 too. So 250 is divisible by all 3 numbers. So then the 250 number is divisible by all 3 numbers. So let's stop the class until now. Okay. Okay, friends. I think that you all have understood the topic which I have explained to you, and don't forget to subscribe and like, comment my channel, friends. Okay, friends. Bye. Have a nice day, friends.